Hello everyone, this is Sindhu Priya. I am studying BCom final year in SSR Degree College, Machilipatnam. Today we discuss about what is API and its types, how API is useful. First of all, API is application program interface which has a set of rules, protocols and tools that enable different software application to communicate and interact with each other. API has four major types. The first one is Open API. These API are publicly available, can be accessed by anyone with proper permission. They are used to share service or data openly. Partner API. These API are shared with specific business partners only. Access is given through agreement and authentication. Internal API. These API are used only with an organization's composite API. These API combine multiple API calls into a single request. They help improve performance and reduce network calls. In the API methods, the first one is get method, used to retrieve data from the server. It does not change any data. Post method, used to create new data on the server. It sends data in the request body. Put method, used to update existing data completely. It replaces the old data with the new data. Delete method, used to remove data from the server. It permanently delete the service, delete the resources. In the top popular API architecture styles, SOAP use XML for communication, best for enterprise level application. RESTful, resource based architecture using HTTP, commonly used for web and mobile APIs. GraphQL, client request only required data, reduce network load and overfetching. gRPC, high performance binary communication, best for microservice and internal system. WebSocket, bi directional real time communication, used for chat apps, live updates. Webhook, event based communication, used for notification and integrations. Now we we create API code for the API weather website. Here the style, it contain background, glass, temperature value should be mentioned like width of map, height and temperature value are mentioned above, and the rain, how it should be animated. Next one is snow, how it is created by the characters. It is the end of the CSS code. How start the Now start the JavaScript. And API key is, I have API key, so I just pasted here, and the location of it and the auto refresh, the time limit of refreshing the website 10 minutes. Next the comes to the location, and the details are the name. Maintain the weather details. Here is the day limit, how many days are in. Now the background effects and rain functions in snows are mentioned. Here the coding is completed. Here the JavaScript and then the body and the HTML tag closing. Now we see how is the output. Here is the Andhra Pradesh Indian location. It is 25 degrees Celsius. I am living in Machilipatnam, so it map details and it is a 7-day forecast and forecast. And thank you.